In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and create a new worksheet, or open an existing one if you want to practice with real data. Once Excel is open, you're ready to begin. The first thing to understand is that Excel does not have a dedicated subtract function. Unlike some operations that use named functions, subtraction in Excel is done with the minus sign, also called the minus operator. This is the standard way to subtract both regular numbers and values stored in cells. So anytime you want to subtract in Excel, you'll start your formula with an equals sign, then use the minus sign between the values you want to subtract. Let's begin with a simple example using plain numbers. Click into any empty cell and type the formula equals 20 minus 5. In Excel format, that looks like equals sign 20 minus sign 5. Then press Enter. Excel will calculate the result and display 15 in the cell. This is the easiest way to do subtraction when you already know the numbers you want to work with and don't need to reference other cells. Now let's look at the more common method, which is subtracting values from cells. This is especially useful when you're working with tables, budgets, reports, or any spreadsheet where the numbers may change over time. For this example, imagine you have the value 100 in cell A2 and the value 30 in cell B2. To subtract the value in B2 from the value in A2, click an empty cell and type the formula equals A2 minus B2. Then press Enter. Excel will return the result, which is 70. This cell-based method is powerful because if either number changes later, Excel will automatically update the answer. That means you don't have to rewrite the formula every time your data changes. It's one of the biggest advantages of using formulas in Excel instead of typing results manually. As you practice, remember that every formula in Excel needs to begin with an equals sign. If you forget that part, Excel may treat your entry as plain text instead of performing the calculation. Also, make sure you use the correct cell references so your formula pulls from the intended values. That's how to subtract in Excel using the minus operator, whether you're subtracting two numbers directly or subtracting values from cells. Once you get comfortable with this basic formula, you'll be able to use it throughout your spreadsheets with confidence.